In this video, we will show you how to make the most of your iPhone messaging capabilities, whether you are a beginner or an advanced user. Section 1. Getting started with Messages. To get started with Messages on your iPhone, open the Messages app. And then from here, you can start a new message or continue an existing conversation that you did before. You can also customize your message setting by going to Setting and then select Messages. In the Messages setting, you can adjust things like message notification, message filtering, and many more. We go to the Section 2 Basic Messaging. Section 2 Basic Messaging. Sending a message on iPhone is easy as typing in the message field and hitting send. We open the message. Then you can start a new conversation by selecting this. And then you can tap on recipient of your message by tap 2 on the toolbar, and you can select the contact that you want to having conversation with. For example, this, and then you can typing in the message field your word or your sentence, for example, how are you? And then you can hitting the send button next to it. You can also send photo, video, or other attachment by tapping the camera or attach button. You can select it, or you can to reply to a message, you can simply tap the message and type in your response. You can also react to message with emoji, tapbacks, or by using the new message effect. We going to the Section 3 Advanced Messaging feature. There are several advanced messaging features on iPhone that can enhance your messaging experience. For example, you can use the iMessages app to send stickers, GIF, and games. You can also use the Animoji and Memoji feature to create animated characters that mimic your facial expressions. Section 4 Group Messaging. Group messaging on iPhone is a great way to stay connected with your friend and your family. To start a group message, simply tap the new message button and you can add multiple recipients on the toolbar here. By tapping on the plus icon, you can select the recipient, more than one recipient here. Then you can send the message here. In a group message, you can also use add and mention the name of your contact to direct a message to a specific person, or use the new reply feature to respond to a specific message. Section 5 Managing Messages. As your message history grows, you may want to manage your message to keep things organized. You can use the search feature to find specific message or conversation. You can also delete messages by swiping left on the message, and you can tap delete icon here. To delete an entire conversation, you can swipe left on this conversation and tap delete. Section 6 Using Siri with Messages. Did you know that you can also use Siri to send messages hands-free? To use Siri with Messages, activate your Siri by tap and hold the side button. Then you can turn on your Siri. When your Siri is activated, you can use Siri to send a message by saying, "Hi Siri, send a message to a contact name," and you can dictate your message. Siri can also read your message out loud and send reply to you when you already activate it. Section 7 Customizing Message Setting. There are many message settings on iPhone that you can customize to enhance your messaging experience. For example, you can turn on read receipts to see when someone has read your message, or enable typing indicator to see when someone is typing a message to you. You can also set up message forwarding to send message to other device. And there you have it, our guide on how to use iPhone messages. We hope this video has been helpful in showing you the ins and outs of iPhone messaging with so many features and customization options. iPhone Message truly has something for everyone. If you have any other tips or tricks for using iPhone Messages, feel free to share them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tutorial and guides. Thanks for watching and see you again. Bye!